Hello PMU champions, this is Lulu Siciliano from Miami, Florida. Do you know how to read CI numbers? Today I will decipher designations on the label of your pigment. I think you have seen mysterious numbers of CI on the label of your pigment. What do they mean? CI is the color index number of International Designation System. It's a single classification of pigments which used by ink manufacturers for PMU and tattoo. For example, CI 77891 is titanium dioxide white. CI 77266 is carbon black. CI 77499 is iron oxide black. The index of inorganic pigments is indicated in the range of 77000 through 77999. The index of organic pigments is indicated in the range of CI 11000 through 11999 and CI 20000 through 29999. Here's a good example of the composition of tattoo ink by world-famous color Bora Bora Peach. The first solvent is water. In the second place is inorganic white pigment CI 77891. This means that it contains the most in the composition. Next comes CI 21110. It's organic orange pigment. Then adjective components: rosin, glycerin, alcohol, witch hazel. Let's review another good example is Evenflo neutralizer. The first solvent is water. In the second place is organic orange pigment CI 21110 and then CI 11767 is organic yellow. 77492 is iron oxide yellow, 77491 is iron oxide red, and 56110 is organic red, and the last one is 77891, which is titanium dioxide. Why do you need to know this? By determining the main ingredients of the ink composition, you will predict the behavior of the pigment, how the pigment will degrade, how the pigment will fade, and how pigment will behave during the laser removal. You will receive a lot of answers.